So for our test question for the First Timothy test, the view of women's roles in ministry, this would be what I think, my response. So my view on women's roles in ministry is what I would call a work in progress, because I'm still trying to figure out what I'm believing in, even just in general, just coming up with my own beliefs and not so much of what I grew up believing. And so when I went back to, it was First Timothy 2:11-14, where it says, "Learn quietly with all submissiveness. I do not permit a woman to teach or to exercise authority over a man. Rather, she is to remain quiet. For Adam was formed first, then Eve, and Adam was not deceived, but the woman was deceived and became a transgressor." And so when I read this verse, what I was thinking was, or what I understand, what I looked up from also the NIV version, was it explained it as that some people believed that Paul here was just talking about teaching only by the women of Ephesus, and so like the women tended to exercise authority over, to be domineering over men, and so that I was just kind of, I'm still kind of confused on, even though we did talk about it in class quite a bit, and just getting to hear from different students and just coming up with my own beliefs and just talking to other students here. And so I'm still struggling with that a little bit. And so some of the interpretations that we have, just in general as Christians, and especially as a male Christian in the church, as in that women are not allowed to teach or speak in a capacity in the church. Also, women are not allowed to teach and speak to men in the church, as in whether it's preaching a Sunday service